Market research is how investors and companies figure out if a business idea actually has a chance to succeed in the real world. It is not just about guessing. It is a structured process of gathering data to reduce uncertainty before making a major financial commitment. Data shows that a vast majority of new business ventures fail because they solve problems that customers do not actually have. Investors look at surveys, competitor strengths, and long-term industry trends to see if a business model is built on solid ground. You can create your own data through primary research, or save time and money by analyzing existing secondary reports from reliable sources. Most professional teams balance their budget between buying industry reports and conducting their own direct outreach to potential customers. Remember that good research is meant to challenge your assumptions, not just support what you already want to believe. Thanks for watching. Use these concepts to better understand the businesses behind your investments. See you in the next video.